Hey guys, I'm Adam. This is John. We're with Hypertech. Here today, we're going to show you our recovery kit for side-by-sides.
Yeah.
First thing I'm going to start out with, the gloves, man.
Yeah.
These things are nice.
I see you snap those up pretty quick.
I'm
We try to walk off some of those either.
But anyway, yeah, it comes with some gloves, which obviously, is a great thing to have when you're running into a situation where you're going to need this thing.
Right.
Second thing is the tow rope here, 20 feet, right? Made of all synthetic materials. Will pull up to 20,000 pounds.
20,000 pounds.
Yeah, which is pretty impressive.
And the whole purpose of this kit was we wanted to make it so that it was size 4, the side-by-sides. Mm-hmm. So it's relatively compact, but that meant we had to go out and get the best materials. So this thing is only 7/16 thick, but it's rated for 20,000 pounds. It actually floats too. So if if you're out there in the deep water or something, it actually floats. So pretty cool. The other thing too is we got the tree saver here, also color coded to match. Hey, if you're gonna go make the stuff, make it look good.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Our marketing guys really like that.
Yeah.
So tree saver, it's a 10-foot tree saver. We didn't shrink the size on that. The purpose of that is to protect the trees if you have to use one. So there's a limit to what you can and can't do. The purpose of that thing, you don't want to shrink it up and damage the tree. It kind of defeats the purpose.
Mm-hmm. So next thing is going to be the Snatch Block here. In case you need a different angle, a little bit more force there pulling. We've got one of those for you. So,
but it's actually sized a little bit smaller than your Jeep size parts. So it doesn't weigh you down. The other thing too is we got the shackle here, the hard shackle, color coded to match, man. Matches Adam's fancy gloves.
It does. Then we actually have 2 soft shackles here. These they're rated at about 9,000 pounds, right? So yeah, these things are awesome.
A little bit quicker and easier to use than this guy. But hey, you want to use what you need. So we got 3 parts there.
Yeah.
So it's really pretty cool, man. All this comes in this bag here. You get this thing, it's pretty compact, so you can throw it in your toolbox or wherever your storage area is. Keeps things actually pretty small, but still really functional stuff. I think last time we went on a ride, one of the guys actually had to tow his motorhome up the hill using this tow rope. 20,000 pounds. It got tested. It was a big motorhome, but he just the thing had some problems with the engine, and he just wasn't making it up the hill into the park. So they strapped a truck to it and spooled up the diesel and towed him right up the road. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, I mean that's kind of a testament to the quality of the parts that we're putting together here for you guys. So
anyway, guys, this is our recovery kit here. We hope you guys enjoy it.